Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install the Chrome Delete for the front and for the wheels for the 2023 Kia Forte. So this is how it looks before the installation. So for the front pieces we used a matte color finish just to match with the grille, and for the wheels we used the gloss black finish to match with the rims. Link for the product will be down in the description below, but with that being said, let's get started with the video. Okay, so for the front piece we want to make sure we remove any contaminants that the front might have. So just using slip solution and just cleaning off the chrome panels before we install. Okay, so to start off, align this end to that edge over there first, and then just make your way to the rest of the curve here until you meet this edge here. So once you place it down, now just squeegee everything down, and then whatever we can tuck in, we tuck in, and then any excess material, we just trim off. And if you're gonna trim off any piece, just remember to be careful not to scratch the vehicle. So just take your time when trimming off, if you can. Some of the grills do have a gap in between, so just make sure you can find the gap, and then from there, once you find the gap, then you can start trimming off any excess material. And then just finish off by heating up everything, that way the adhesive starts activating onto the chrome. So with this one, start off from aligning it on the bottom edge here, and then with this one the film is overlap because we made a cutout here. So just help it overlap on top of each other, and then you just follow up with the rest of the film. And then just use heat to start sealing everything down. And that's it, these two pieces are done, and now on to the wheels. Okay, so same thing before starting, make sure you clean off the rim. So all I'm using is soapy water, that way we're able to remove any contaminants. And the most important thing is cleaning off the chrome part. So with this one, start off from the top edge. Make sure everything's covered. Once you have this piece, this section ready to go, just finish off the rest down here. And just like that. And just continue on with the rest, and then the last parts will be this side here. And the last pieces would be these that are remaining here. And once you finish installing all of the sets, the last thing to do is just go around with heat and just securing each piece. So make sure you just use your squeegee and go around with heat. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the chrome deletes for the front grille and for the wheels as well. We hope that this video helped you guys out on how to go about installing each piece. If the video did help, please make sure to give a like to the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.